Breaking news. An object called 3I Atlas is speeding out of our solar system, never to return. But this isn't just another space rock. Its path matches a mysterious object seen in 1972. Once dismissed as a mistake, now impossible to ignore. 3I Atlas is retracing that same improbable route. The odds of this happening by chance? Nearly zero. As telescopes tracked it, the data grew stranger. Erratic movement, baffling composition. We may not be alone, and the proof is leaving our solar system right now. 3I Atlas is not from here. Its hyperbolic path means it came from interstellar space, swung around our sun, and is now leaving forever. Only two other interstellar objects have been confirmed, Oumuamua and Borisov. But 3I Atlas is different. Its trajectory nearly matches the 1972 anomaly, A72. The odds of two unrelated objects following the same rare path, 53 years apart, are astronomical. This suggests a pattern, not a coincidence. The laws of physics say this shouldn't happen, but the evidence says it has. We're left with a question. What force is guiding 3I Atlas? At first, 3I Atlas looked like a comet, bright, with a faint tail. But as astronomers watched, the comet label fell apart. The gases it released were unusual complex hydrocarbons and metallic vapors, not typical cometary material. The gas plumes were inconsistent, appearing and vanishing at random. This isn't how comets behave. Their outgassing is steady and predictable. Some argued it was an asteroid, others a new kind of object. It didn't fit any known category. Most puzzling was its acceleration, far stronger than the visible gas could explain. It was moving away from the sun faster than gravity alone could account for, with no visible cause. This echoes the mystery of Oumuamua, but here, the effect is even more pronounced. 3I Atlas is a hybrid, part comet, part something else. Its behavior challenges everything we know about interstellar objects. The more we study it, the less it makes sense. It's a puzzle that refuses to be solved by natural explanations. 3I Atlas's light curve is bizarre. Its brightness flickers irregularly, unlike any known comet or asteroid. This suggests a complex, possibly flat or concave shape, more like a manufactured object than a natural one. Nature rarely produces such geometric forms. Spectroscopy revealed a surface rich in titanium and other refractory metals, materials ideal for spacecraft, but rare in nature. The gas plumes weren't diffuse, they were focused jets, erupting from specific points, like thrusters. Each clue alone might be dismissed, but together they paint a picture of something profoundly unusual. The acceleration, the flicker, the metallic composition, the directed jets, none fit natural models. It's as if the object is adjusting its course, not just drifting. The evidence points to deliberate control. 3I Atlas is behaving less like a rock and more like a machine. The mystery deepens with every observation. We may be witnessing technology, not geology. To understand 3I Atlas, we look back to 1972. At Siding Spring Observatory, astronomers spotted a fast-moving, uncharted object, A72. Its hyperbolic path suggested an interstellar origin, unheard of at the time. The team, led by Dr. Evelyn Reed, faced skepticism. The idea of an interstellar visitor was dismissed as science fiction. A72 showed unexplained acceleration, but lacked a visible tail. The scientific community called it an error, maybe a flaw in the photographic plates. Soon, A72 vanished into the sun's glare, never to be seen again. Dr. Reed's findings were ignored, her career damaged. For 50 years, A72 was a ghost story, until now. Reed and her team kept their data, convinced they'd seen something real. With 3I Atlas retracing A72's path, their vindication has arrived. The mistake of 1972 is now a historic missed opportunity. The ghost has returned, and this time, we have the tools to see it clearly. The past and present are colliding in our skies. The truth is finally coming into focus. The link between 3I Atlas and A72 is undeniable. Their paths are identical, entering from Lyra, curving past Mercury, and exiting toward Pisces. This precise route is so rare, it's like two darts thrown 50 years apart passing through the same keyhole. Natural objects shouldn't repeat such a path. The only explanation: something altered its trajectory after 1972, slowing it down to return, then accelerating it away again. This is not natural behavior. Comets and asteroids don't have engines. The repeated precise path suggests intelligent design. 3I Atlas isn't just passing through, it's executing a planned maneuver. This is the behavior of a probe, not a rock. The path itself is the strongest evidence of engineering. We're witnessing a flyby, a deceleration, and another flyby by design. The implications are staggering. Scientists exhaust natural explanations before considering artificial ones. But with 3I Atlas, natural theories are running out. Its acceleration is too strong, its shape too artificial, its composition too metallic, and its repeating orbit impossible for a natural object. The simplest explanation, 3I Atlas, is technology, an artifact from another civilization. This is an extraordinary claim, but the evidence is mounting. If it's a machine, what's its purpose? Its behavior is non-aggressive. It observes, collects data, and moves on. This matches what we'd expect from a robotic probe, like our own Voyagers. The idea is no longer fringe. Respected scientists are openly discussing it. The alternative, that a series of unrelated, improbable natural events mimic a probe, is harder to defend. The simplest answer may be the most incredible. It was built. 3I Atlas is here, and it's not an accident. We may be looking at our first contact with alien technology. The universe just got a lot less lonely. If 3I Atlas is artificial, what's its mission? Scientists debate three main theories. First, it's a reconnaissance probe, using our sun for a gravity assist on a galactic journey. Second, it's a relay marker, part of a vast communication network using our solar system as a node. Third, it's a propulsion test, experimenting with new technology, perhaps a light sail or advanced engine. Each theory fits the data: a probe, a relay, or an experiment. All point to intelligence behind the object. The debate is no longer if, but why. Understanding its purpose could reveal the motives of a civilization far beyond our own. Each possibility shifts our place in the cosmos, from isolation to being part of a galactic network. The implications are immense. We're not just observers, we're participants in a much larger story. The universe may be more connected than we ever imagined. The world watches as 3I Atlas leaves the sun behind, heading into interstellar space. Telescopes worldwide, including James Webb, are tracking its every move. The final test: will its speed match gravity's predictions, or will it accelerate under its own power? If it slows as expected, the mystery fades. But if it accelerates, it's proof of artificial thrust, a machine, not a rock. The answer will arrive in weeks. Every scientist, government, and citizen is waiting. If it accelerates, the ghost of 1972 was real. A technological visitor looping through our solar system for decades. We are not alone. The sky holds its secret, and humanity waits for the verdict. Our new chapter in the cosmos is about to begin.